Hi everyone, it's Crypto Everything here again with another YouTube video. And today I'm excited to show you this. Okay, if you haven't come across this already, you should be thankful because this right here, it is free and there's an airdrop attached to this, and we are going to be doing this right away. And the most important thing about this is it is actually free. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, my Telegram channel, please do right now, because this airdrop I actually posted here on my channel about 3 days ago, so you can see here. So if you were in my channel, maybe this information you'd have already gotten it, but if you haven't joined, maybe you should join now so that you do not miss out on future uploads. Okay, so you can see right here I got cryptoeverything.isme, so I just like to call it ESME. Okay, so cryptoeverything.esme. So this right here is going to come with a free airdrop if you do this on time. Okay, so just the way we have Gitcoin passport. Okay, so the same way we have as NFT3. This project is backed up by NFT3. Okay, so it's one of the projects of NFT3. So NFT3 is a decentralized identity platform. Okay, just like the way you have Gitcoin passport. Okay, so but the difference between Gitcoin and this right here is that this Gitcoin is more popular, and right now you have to have some kind of money. You need money to be able to pass your this Gitcoin passport. You have to have money to get some coins, stake some coins, do the Gitcoin grant. Right now, if you want to do the Gitcoin grant, you have to spend at least $10 for each project. Okay, it costs money. So right now NFT3 has actually come with a solution to give you that same identity, your decentralized identity, free of charge, and they are adding extra rewards to it. Okay, so you're gonna get a free decentralized identity, and then you're also gonna get free airdrops. Okay, so if you go over here to the announcement, so yes, you're going to see that once you are able to register your ESME account, okay, you're going to be getting some free airdrops attached to it. So if you invite more people, the more ESME tokens you're going to be getting for it. So you're going to be getting any and ESME tokens. You can see this dollar sign shows you that this is a token. So this is an ESME token that is going to be airdropped to those people that have the .esme identity, and then you're going to be giving those to give it out depending on how many referrals you already have. So if you register, you're going to be getting some points, but to increase those points, you have to refer people. Okay, so but you don't have to refer people. It's not it's not a criteria for you to refer people, but just extra bonus for you to refer, and then you're just gonna be good to go. So, and again, this NFT3 is also backed by the data. Okay, if you go to the data.com, okay, you're gonna see this project platform right here. It's also backing up other projects. As you can see, NFT3 is one of them. You have Kylin, you have Ruby, you have Vinci, you have Glacier and Canyon. Okay, so these are some other projects that the data is backing up. Okay, and right now we have an opportunity to get a free .esme account, and all you need to do is just click some buttons and then you are good to go. So you're going to need a Twitter account and you're going to need a MetaMask account. Okay, and one very special thing about the project, the NFT3 project, is because of their team. Okay, the platform, the people behind this right here, they are very transparent. You can see there's their social links are attached to it. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see their LinkedIn profiles. So you can see there's Dylan Dudney, and there's the other team members. So if you want to search, you want to do a background search on all of this, you can actually do that, which is something that many platforms do not give. You don't have the luxury to find out who they are. So most of them you can't even find a single person behind this. You just hear names but you don't see faces. So if you want to check out them, you can click on their LinkedIn and see profile is going to open up, and then you can do a background search on each of them. So you can see this Shaswat and Ethana, this is his name, and you can do a background search to know what he actually does. So there's full transparency, and this is something that is you can rarely find in the crypto space. Okay, so if you want to do background search, it's cool. So I've gone ahead to give you a step-by-step on what you need to do. First of all, you need to follow them on Twitter, you need to follow them on Discord and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you my ESME account right now. So you can see here I've got crypto everything here, and I'm going to show you so this right here, you can be able to check your transactions. You're going to be checking things that you have done online, and you can check your followers, and you can check those people following you. So I just actually recently joined, and you can already see that I've got 0 followers and I'm following 0 people. Okay, so now what do you do? Once you click on the first link in the description below, it's going to bring you over to this website. So this is it right here. So all we need to do is come down here and click on create now. Okay, so we are going to need the MetaMask. Okay, so if you have MetaMask or you have Phantom, each of them will do. So I have MetaMask. Let's connect MetaMask. All right, so as you can see, my account is connected. So the next thing we need to do, we need to put in a name, an extension. I already put in crypto, everything. You can choose something different. Okay, so just fill this in, put in bio if you want to, and if you have the URL, you have that or not, you can just leave that out and you just click on create account. So as you can see, I just fill that in Chrome's crypto. I'm just gonna click on create. Right now I'm just gonna send it after, and then it's gonna come back. So as you can see, my account has been created. As you can see, Chrome's crypto.esme is very easy. As you can see, the simple steps that I would just took, just put in your name, and that is all. So the next thing we need to do is very important. After you're creating that, you need to bind it with your Twitter. You need to have Twitter for this to go through, so you must bind this with your Twitter. So if you just have to do is click on this verify Twitter here, or just come over here and just go to edit my profile, and then you can add your Twitter. So you're just going to click on verify Twitter. If you have Twitter, you're going to click on verify Twitter. If you don't verify Twitter, then this account is not activated. So you're going to put in your username of your Twitter. So if your name is, your Twitter name is Benson, you just put it on Benson, and then just click on next, and it's going to tell you to make a tweet. Okay, it's going to take you to your Twitter account. Make sure it is logged in this browser that you're using. So you're gonna have to click on make a tweet, and then you click on verify, and then after you have done that, you just click on verify, and then your account will be verified. That is the second step. Then the third thing you need to do is make sure you need to check eligibility. Okay, so as you can see right here, I already have a total of 100 ESME for just registering. Okay, so even if I decide not to refer people, I already have 100 ESME, okay, for me. So when they start to airdrop the tokens, I'm gonna get a free 100 ESME. But if you want to increase it, you have to refer people. Okay, so this is your refer to link. So it's share it to people, and for that tweet for this referral to count for you, they have to actually verify their Twitter also. Okay, their Twitter must be verified before it's going to count for you. So you're going to see right here, your total invitees are going to be here, and your total verified invitees are going to be here. Let me take you back to my own account. So right here, this is my own Twitter account. As you can see right here, my Twitter is already linked. As you can see, I have 5 invitees and 4 of them are verified. As you can see right here, they are all here. So 2 of them are unverified, and one of them 4 of them they are verified. As you can see, it's not yet. So I have 350 ESMEs and 300 is claimable. Okay, so this is what happens. But before you can claim this, after registering, after linking your Twitter, the next thing you need to do, you need to come over to this check eligibility area. It is very important, because this is what you need to do to be able to claim your tokens, because there are so many people trying to create multiple accounts. So for cyber attacks, to reduce that, they have actually gone ahead to put in a check for that. Okay, and which is this right here. If you scroll down here, you're going to see things that you need to do. So first of all, you need to submit your ESME address over here. You need to join them on Telegram, and you need to follow them on Twitter. You need to retweet this and to join them on Discord. You can see right here, if you scroll down here, it says completing the above task can help with our social graph analysis, preventing such attacks, or while also keeping up to date on everything we do. We'll even offer 100 ESME to a randomly selected winner on March 31st, 5 p.m. UTC. Please keep in mind that in order to receive the ESME airdrop, you must first complete the eligibility checker. So make sure you check, make sure you do all of this. They are very simple. Just drop your .esme that we just created. We just created crypto.esme. So just put that in there, and then follow them on Telegram, follow them on Twitter, follow them, retweet this, and join them on Discord. Once you have done that, when it's time for them to airdrop the tokens that you have gotten, you're going to be able to see them here. So if you want to check your what you have gotten, it's very simple. Like I told you, just come over here, you can move here and just go to referrals right here. It's going to bring you over to this page right here, and you can see the total numbers of people you have invited and those of them that are verified. Those verified are those ones that are verified their Twitter. As you can see, Twitter verified, and this is what they are going to pay you for. They're not going to pay you for the amount of people you brought in, so they're going to pay you for the amount of people that you brought in that are verified. So you can see I got 350 ESME, so my link is going to be in the description below. Do check my description. Like I said, make sure your Twitter is verified. That is the only way you get a free airdrop. As you can see here, this is pretty much it. So just click the link, come over here, choose the username, link your Twitter, and then check this eligibility here, right here, and that is all. So if you want to actually check the referral programs and the rules, so if you click right here, it's going to bring you over to this page, which is the referral programs and the rules and everything that you need to know. If you want to read more about it, it's very simple. So just know that there's going to be an airdrop. That is what I want you to know. We will require all airdrop participants to fully to fulfill certain criteria as an eligibility test. This is what we just saw right here. This is the eligibility test, and this is what we need to do, and that is pretty much it. And I hope you actually found this useful. If you did, please, why not subscribe to my channel and like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And thank you for watching. This is free. Make sure you jump on and share it to family and friends, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.